Hello, and welcome to Dr. NutriVibe. Did you know that some of the foods you eat every day could be silently damaging your liver? Here are 10 foods that can damage your liver. Number 10. Sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, and sweetened fruit juices. They're packed with added sugar that can increase liver fat. Number 9. Alcohol. Drinking too much can lead to fatty liver, hepatitis, and even cirrhosis. Number 8. Fried foods such as French fries and fried chicken, which are high in unhealthy fats. Number 7. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. Number 6. White bread and refined carbohydrates that quickly raise blood sugar. Number 5. Fast food, loaded with unhealthy fats, refined carbs, and salt. Number 4. Candy, cookies, ice cream, and other sugary desserts. Number 3. Foods high in salt, including chips, instant noodles, and canned soups. Number 2. Foods containing trans fats, often found in packaged snacks and baked goods. And number 1. Highly processed foods, which are packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, salt, and artificial ingredients. The good news is that your liver has an amazing ability to heal when you choose healthier foods and maintain a balanced lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.